Goosebumps are a fascinating physiological response that occurs in mammals, including humans. They're often triggered by emotions like fear, cold temperatures, or even feelings of awe or excitement. The technical term for goosebumps is piloerection, where tiny muscles called erector pili contract and pull on the hair follicles, causing the hairs to stand upright. In animals with thicker fur, this response helps trap air and create insulation, keeping them warm. But in humans, whose body hair is much finer and less dense, the effect is less noticeable. The evolutionary origin of goosebumps can be traced back to our distant ancestors. When they were covered in thicker body hair, piloerection would have made them appear larger and more intimidating to potential threats, helping them to scare off predators or appear more formidable to rivals. In modern humans, the response remains as a vestigial trait, a leftover from our evolutionary past. However, emotions also play a significant role in triggering goosebumps. When we experience intense emotions like fear or excitement, our sympathetic nervous system kicks into gear, releasing adrenaline into our bloodstream. This adrenaline rush can stimulate the erector pili muscles, causing goosebumps as a byproduct of the body's fight or flight response. In addition to emotional stimuli, cold temperatures can also trigger goosebumps as part of our body's thermoregulation process. When we're exposed to cold air, the tiny muscles around our hair follicles contract in an attempt to generate heat and keep us warm. This is why we often get goosebumps when we feel chilly or step into a cold shower. Interestingly, goosebumps can also be triggered by non-emotional stimuli, such as listening to music or experiencing something profoundly moving, like watching a poignant movie scene or witnessing a breathtaking natural phenomenon. In these cases, the brain's limbic system, which is responsible for processing emotions, can stimulate the release of neurotransmitters like dopamine, serotonin, and oxytocin, leading to the activation of the sympathetic nervous system and the subsequent piloerection response. That's all for today's video. See you in the next video with more curious questions and their answers. Until that, goodbye.